Welcome back everyone. We will pick from where we left off with pyplot. The last part we looked at in pyplot was adding text. Let's now look at how we can annotate this text on the plot. By first adding our text, then the location of the point to be pointed at, followed by the location of the text, and finally the design characteristics of the arrow. This method draws an arrow from the end of the text coordinates to the pointer coordinates. You can read more about its other properties on the following link. Pyplot also makes it easy to deal with categorical plots. Let's demonstrate that through an example. The bar method draws bars on the plot where the first parameter includes the x coordinates of the bars and the second parameter includes the y or height value of the bars. The scatter method draws varying marker size of scatter plots. To know more about the other characteristics of the mentioned methods, you can visit the following links. The subtitle method shows one title for all subplots, as you can see. Now we will learn how to create nonlinear axes. To specify the axis scale, we use the method yscale, as you can see. In this example, we created a linear and log scale on the y-axis. To show the grid lines, we use the grid method as it shows. Finally, if we want to import data from a CSV file into a NumPy array and then be able to visualize it, we can use the GenFromText method. Let's take this CSV file as an example. This file contains data about heart failure clinical records for 299 patients. This dataset was taken from this website. Usually, the first row in any dataset or a CSV file is a list of column names. To import this file, we need to specify the file name, as you can see. Remember that NumPy array can only hold data from the same type. So, we should remove the first row of the CSV file as it's holding string data. We can do that using the parameter names equal true. The delimiter keyword is used to define how the splitting should take place. If you open this CSV file using Notepad, you will see that the elements are separated by comma. Remember that your file should be in the same directory of the notebook file. Once our data in a NumPy array, we can easily visualize it with pyplot. In the following example, we will write a code to visualize the death percentage versus age due to heart failure for all the patients in the dataset. You can pause the video and try to do it yourself. We have used a couple of new commands. The unique method finds the unique elements of an array and assigns them in a new NumPy array. We can also return the number of times each unique item appears in the array by assigning true to the parameter return_counts. The where method returns the indices of elements in the NumPy array where the given condition is satisfied. Finally, the sum method sum all the elements in the specified NumPy array. In this example, we will write a code to visualize the death percentage versus gender due to heart failure for all the patients in the dataset. You can pause the video and try to do it yourself. This covered the basics of how to use PyPlot within the Matplotlib package. You can visit its online documentation to explore more detailed functionalities and learn more about the design and management of plots and figures. See you in the next video to summarize our class and talk about the class project.